Today we will be testing the RSI buy opportunity indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI buy opportunity indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 583 indicators, with 240 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the RSI buy opportunity indicator, and you can see it here on screen. Let me actually zoom back a little bit here, make it a tad bit easier to see. And so this indicator consists of this line running through, this blue line running through price action through the middle of the screen there, and then it also includes these green arrows here and these kind of red slashes above price action there. So what I think we're going to do with this is test this in a few different ways. And so the first way we are going to test this is when price action is above the blue line, then we are looking for a green arrow to the upside, and that is going to be a signal to go long. And so let's try it that way first and see what we can get out of this. And like I said, I think we'll test this at least one other way, and we'll do that on another video. But for now, let's go ahead with this and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. Only looking for long signals, so we pick up that long signal right here. Unfortunately, price action continues to push down pretty heavily there. Comes down, stopping us out on that one. Then we pick up another long right here. This one works out pretty well. We get a nice push to the upside right after we enter, and that one does get us to take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so we pick up another long signal right here on this one. Again, a nice little push to the upside there, getting us to take profit. Then we pick up a short right here on this one. We get stopped out right here on this candle, and this one is below the blue line, so we ignore the arrow on that. Then we pick up a long right here. Price action kind of rides sideways for a while, and then finally drops down far enough to hit our stop. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the testing. That way things won't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. There. Alright, let's go ahead and count this out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we have 17 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Yeah, interesting enough. I didn't really expect it to have that decent of a win rate. Just kind of glancing back at it, but did really decent. And so, like I said, we might test this one other way just to see, but I can't imagine that it would do better than this. But of course, I didn't think this method or this way of using it would do that well either. So shows you exactly what can happen when you just take a quick glance and don't actually test something. So yeah, for now, well, I mean, regardless, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.